The next application presentation is on Lanka Government Payment Service, jointly presented by Director General Office of Merchant Shipping, Department of Examinations, CMC, Department of Motor Traffic, Western Province, and Department of Wildlife Conservation, Lanka Government Payment Service. And to present, Erandi from ICTA.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Erandi Hettiarachchi from ICTA. Today I'm here to present one of our key initiatives referred as Lanka Government Payment Service, shortly known as LGPS. These are the topics that I'm going to cover. First, I will give you a brief introduction about the LGPS, then background and motivation behind the development, then the key objectives of the LGPS, our solution, high-level architecture of the LGPS, finally about our clients. Offering government services in a citizen-centric manner is the key strategy in e-governance. Aligned to this concept, icta conceptualized, designed, and implemented a wide software infrastructure which envisioned to be the gateway for electronic information and electronic interactions in Sri Lanka. This is reversed as known as Lanka Gate Initiative. Payment services which are offered through Lanka Gate initially had to rely on the single or the individual payment gateway options. To overcome this problem, Lanka Gate, the infrastructure is further extended to provide a single integration point which basically interacts securely with any payment gateway available in the market. However, LGPS can be further leveraged by any government services to provide their payment applications as well as securely. LGPS, when talking about the background and motivation behind the development, LGPS is developed to overcome the difficulty which government organizations face while direct IPG integration. As I explained you earlier, initially government services had to rely on the individual payment gateways. So if they wanted to integrate with multiple payment gateways, then they had to do multiple integrations. So then they had to do implement multiple security implementations, and also they had to take care of all the management overheads. So to overcome these problems, we developed LGPS. These are the key objectives of LGPS. LGPS facilitates multiple payment options, including credit cards and mobile payments. Also, it provides single integration points because LGPS take care of all the integrations, security mechanism that we need to implement while the integrations and all the management overheads. So it simplifies the approach for the government to interact with electronic payment mechanisms. When talking about our solution, LGPS is working as a core middleware infrastructure. So we provide LGPS client softwares we have Java, PHP and .NET client software for the integrations, and also we provide a payment reconciliation software which government organization can reconcile their transaction happens via LGPS. Also, LGPS provides a secure interaction between IPGs and merchant applications. It adheres to the core security mechanisms, including confidentiality, authentication, integrity, and non-repudiation. It provides authentication. It provides through SSL authentication while authenticating merchants and LGPS. Also, it uses data transmission via HTTP channels and HTTP redirection to further ensure the security. LGPS provide high availability 24/7 because it's hosted in Lanka Government Cloud, which provide 24/7 hardware availability, and also it is hosted in clustered environment to further ensure the high availability. When talking about the high-level infrastructure, high-level architecture of the LGPS, it has mainly two components. One is the common payment service and the reconciliation application. Common payment service.
5 minutes over.
Common payment service is responsible for handling all the payment requests and responses, take caring all the security mechanisms, and so on. Reconciliation application is used for the reconciling the day-end transactions happen via the LGPS. So LGPS is designed in a way to integrate any merchant applications easily with a little time. LGPS is designed in a way to integrate any internet payment gateway or a mobile payment gateway easily. This is the intermediate page that customer gets once any government service is integrated with the LGPS. So this interface is responsive. So it can be also the header and footer banners can be customized, so the government application can maintain their consistency. When talking about our clients, we have Helitours, National Lottery Board, Sri Lanka Airport Museums, icta, e-revenue license, Colombo Municipal Council, and the examination department, and the reservation of wild, we use or the Department of Wildlife Conservation. Thank you very much.